Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to Caliber mortgage account. To log in and access your mortgage account for Caliber, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in caliberhomeloans.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Caliber. Once you get to this official site, click on this portal login option. Now, you will then end up in this home page for Caliber Home Loans. Click on Sign in to my account button from the left hand side of the screen. Sign into your account by typing in your username in the text box that appears on the screen. If you don't remember your username, then you can click on this Forgot Your Username link and follow through the on-screen instructions. After filling in your user ID, click Next, and on the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your password. Make sure that you enter your correct password to your account. If you need help with password as well, you can click on Forgot Your Password and follow the prompts. After filling in both of your credentials and after it is correct, click on Sign in and you will be able to log into your Caliber mortgage account online. That is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.